Hello everyone, and today I'm going to be showing you one of our cats, Miga. She likes to nap in the sun under a chair, and she likes to lie there. And she really likes to sleep. Yep. This is one of our cats named Autumn. But we call her Kitty a lot because, I don't know actually why we call her Kitty. We just started calling her Kitty. So yeah, here she is. This is our cat named Winter. Hi Winter. He's really black and fluffy, as you can probably tell from where you see. He loves being petted. Yeah. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.